Hello and Happy New Year from Forest Asset Management. I'm JoAnn May, and I have a couple of items just to tell you about that are all unrelated, but I thought you could find interesting and possibly use. As you probably know, the Build Back Better tax proposal did not pass Congress last year. We don't know if it's temporarily shelved or permanently shelved, but there is a provision within it that since it hasn't passed, we can still take advantage of. And I commonly refer to this provision as the backdoor Roth IRA. So what a backdoor Roth IRA is for those of you who cannot fund a contributory Roth IRA because your income is too high, there is a way to get a Roth IRA through the back door. It is a non-taxable transaction to you if you do not have any other IRA balances. Now, for those of you who have been doing this, know you've been doing it and are familiar. So if you would like to take advantage of this for 2022, please make your IRA contributions as soon as possible and let us know you've done it. IRA contributions for 2022 are $6,000 for anyone under age 50 and $7,000 for age 50 and above. Remember, you must have W-2 wages or self-employed income to fund an IRA. Any questions about this? Tyler or myself are very happy to discuss it with you. Give us a call. Another item, again, unrelated, is I-bonds, Treasury Inflation Protected Bonds that you can get directly from Treasury Direct. They are limited to $10,000 per person, but the good news is for the next 6 months, they're paying 7.12%. Yes, that is what I just told you, 7.12%. Quite high interest rate, and you can't find anywhere else for a Treasury risk-free savings vehicle. The way it works, again, is that you set up an account yourself at treasurydirect.com, and you and, if you're married, your spouse can each put $10,000 into this. So it's a relatively small dollar amount, and that's why I really haven't spoke about it in the past. Plus, I can't do it for you. You have to do it yourself. So for those of you who are, want to take advantage of it, please go online. There's a lot of information at Treasury Direct. And if you have any questions, again, Tyler and I are happy to help you. The last item I wanted to mention to you is just a really good best practice to do to protect your identity. As you probably know, you can get a free credit report each year from one of the big 3 credit reporting companies, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. My best practice, what I do is every 4 months, I choose a different credit reporting company and I pull a credit report for my husband and myself. And this way, every 4 months, I'm using a different source, and that way, every year I'm actually pulling 3 credit reports just to make sure everything on there are things that I know about. Credit cards I know about, loans I know about, and if there's anything that looks odd, you need to research it immediately and possibly contact one of the credit reporting companies to put some kind of a fraud disclosure or even a credit freeze on your account. So I've given you a lot of information in a short period of time. Below the video, you will see some links to different websites that I've mentioned in this video. Again, thank you for your time, and as always, we are here to help. So give us a call if you have any questions or shoot us a quick email. Thank you. Bye-bye.